Welcome back to a new video. Hope you are all fine. In this video we are going to cover the lecture Introduction of Sociology. Without wasting our time, let's start the video. The table of content of this lecture are Introduction of Sociology, Definition of Sociology, Subject matter of Sociology, Significance and other disciplines, Sociological Perspectives and many more. Let's move to the next slide. Introduction. Sociology is a term coined by a Frenchman. Sociology is basically a combination of two words, socio and logi. And the first part of the term is Latin, that may variously mean society, and the other word, logos, is of Greek origin, generally understood as study of science. And emergence of sociology. Sociology as an academic science was born in 19th century in Great Britain and Western Europe, especially in France and Germany, and it's greatly advanced throughout 19th and 20th century. Definition of sociology. Sociology is a science of society or of social phenomena. And there are many other definitions you can pick at your own choice. Let's move further. Subject matter of sociology. The subject matter of sociology is the interaction of human mind. Sociology is the study of society, the science of social life, the study of social relation, the study of human behavior in groups, the study of forms of social relationship, the study of social action, the study of social groups and social systems. And there are significance and many other thing, significance and importance of sociology. Sociology increase the power of social action. Sociology studies society in significant way, and if you want to read the whole slide, then pause the video and read it by yourself. There are many other points also. Sociology and political science. Political science deal with the political activities of a man, and sociology focus on the social lives of masses. Difference: sociology and political science. Science of society and relationship. Science of state and government. Scope is wide in sociology. Scope is limited in political science. And sociology, general science in sociology, special science and political science. Sociology deal with all forms of association. Political science deal with any only one form of association named state. Sociology and economics. Economics studies the aspect of production, consumption, and the distribution and exchange of society. Sociology and economics. Sociology, science of society and social relationship. It studies all social relationship. Sociology is much younger science which has very recent origin, concerned with the social activities of a man. Economics, science of wealth and choice. It only studies those social relationships which are economic in character. Economics is comparatively an older science concerned with the economic activities of a man. Sociology and psychology. Psychology is a science of mind and mental process. Sociology is a science of collective behavior. It studies human behavior in group. Sociology and psychology. Sociology, science of society. So scope of sociology is wide. Society is the unit of study in sociology. In psychology, science of mind. Scope of psychology is limited. Individual is the unit of study in case of psychology. Studies mental process. And sociological perspective. Today there are three approaches to the study of sociology: the functional perspective, the conflict perspective, and third perspective is interactionist perspective. We can also is called internationalist perspective as symbolic perspective. What is functional perspective? They view society as a set of interrelated parts that work together to produce a symbol environment. The focus conflict perspective. They focus on the forces in society that promote competition and change. Interactionist perspective. They focus on how individuals interact with each other and three outcomes. This functional perspective divided in more three parts: dysfunction, manifest function, and latent function. uh, Negative consequences of an element of society is called dysfunction. The intended and recognized consequences of an element of a society is called manifest function, and unintended and unrecognized consequences of an element of a society is called latent function. Hope you like the video, and if you want more videos related to sociology, then comment below, and goodbye.